Home cooking is healthy. Happiness is healthy. Let's get healthy. I love you. Hello, this is Happiness is Healthy cooking tip. This is a cast iron pan, and I'm going to put in here some bacon grease that is from another past. Here's the bacon we're going to have this morning from a local farm, Yesteryear Farm, and on Vancouver Island. And we're putting the bacon grease in here in the pan, and I keep it in the fridge. Bacon grease has been cooking a cooking fat used for centuries, and so we just save the fat in our house, and then when we go to make fried eggs, a perfectly what do they call it when you a perfectly seasoned pan, cast iron pan, is the best for making eggs. So here we're just gonna drop the eggs in the pan, and then we'll see how easy they slide around and everything. So as you can see, the eggs are cooking here, and we'll just let them continue to cook, and we'll come back in a few minutes. So here we go, looking at our cast iron pan, and here's the egg just sliding around. Look at that, on a perfectly seasoned pan. And you can flip them over. And how you season the pan is you clean it really good, and then just put your favorite butter or bacon grease in the pan, and there you go. You have the perfectly seasoned cast iron pan. And then never wash it with soap, and only use it for eggs and mushrooms. Just use one pan for eggs and mushrooms and keep it seasoned, and only wash it with hot water and just a good sponge, no soap. And here's the pan when you're done. Look at that. No fuss, no muss. Just get a paper towel over here, and then we'll wipe it out. And you don't have any cleaning or anything. No egg stuck to it at all. There's no residual in the whole pan. Wipe it out. Get that bacon fat out of there. And there you go. You're going to have a totally clean pan ready to go. And it's all seasoned already. Look how shiny it is. Anyways, it's home cooking is best. Happiness is healthy. Bye.